When creating corners and joints in woodworking, it's important to have the right tools. A biscuit joiner may not be at the top of the tool wish list, but this power tool is ideal for mitered corners, T-joints, and a variety of other joints using wood joining biscuits. Using modern biscuit joiners allows for a stronger hold than just glue alone. The wood biscuits combine with the glue and expand to interlock two pieces of wood. With convenient features like carbide-tipped blades and dust bags, biscuit joinery doesn't have to be a challenge. Biscuit joiners can help create clean and sturdy joints no matter what the project. There are many products available to choose the best biscuit joiners for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best biscuit joiners for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best Overall Biscuit Joiner DeWALT DW682K Heavy Duty Plate Joiner Kit. The DeWALT DW682K Heavy Duty Plate Joiner Kit is a dependable and affordable biscuit joiner that gets the job done. It has preset depth stops for standard biscuit sizes, and retractable pins hold the tool in place with anti-slip technology. The dual rack and pinion fence is designed to keep the blade and fence parallel at all times. It's a lightweight tool and includes a dust bag and kit box. One reviewer purchased this biscuit joiner when their daughter asked for some tables. The joiner is easy to master, and using the DeWALT biscuits it secures boards together with ease. Another customer used this tool for a 2,000 square foot hardwood deck with hidden fasteners. I used this plate joiner to slot the tropical hardwood for the hidden fasteners, and it held up solid to the task. Number 2. Best with Biscuits included AOBEN Biscuit Cutter Plate Joiner. A versatile tool that includes multiple sizes of biscuits, the AOBEN Biscuit Cutter Plate Joiner is an ideal household addition. Suitable for corner joints, miter joints, frame joints, and more, this biscuit joiner works with solid wood, plywood, and chipboard. It has an adjustable fence and height, 4 depth settings, and a carbide blade. The AOBEN biscuit joiner has an anti-slip handle and includes a dust bag to keep work surfaces clean. One customer wrote that they purchased this biscuit joiner since they had an AOBEN ratchet and was happy with the quality. They were also convinced by the high number of positive reviews. It's pretty easy to use and seems to be solidly made. They wrote about their experience with it. They finished by mentioning that they are happy with the product and are glad they chose this tool. Number 3. Best Affordable Biscuit Joiner WEN 8.5 amp Plate and Biscuit Joiner. For those looking to add a biscuit joiner without breaking the bank, the WEN 8.5 amp Plate and Biscuit Joiner comes at a very reasonable price. It's ideal for edge joining panels and strengthening joints, and the adjustable fence helps create unlimited biscuit slots. It has standard preset slots, and the carbide-tipped blade reaches 10,000 RPM with an 8.5 amp motor. The tool comes with a dust bag, a carrying case, and 50 multi-sized biscuits. According to one reviewer, this WEN plate and biscuit joiner is an ideal addition to the workshop. They commented on the fact that there's no assembly required and that everything is contained in a quality case. The instructions, they explained, are very helpful, especially for first-time users. This is a very sturdy, strong, and heavy product and very good quality. They deemed it a good affordable choice. Number 4. Best Lightweight Biscuit Joiner Makita 6 amp Corded Plate Joiner. A lightweight yet powerful tool, the Makita 6 amp Corded Plate Joiner works quickly and precisely. The rack and pinion system is designed to create accurate adjustments, and the cast aluminium front body gives the tool extra durability. The pivot fence has 3 common positive stops, and there are 6 depth settings including 1 touch stops for the most common biscuit sizes. It also includes a non-marring rubber strip shoe inserts that stops material from slipping. The tool is effectively accurate, according to one reviewer. I like Makita corded lightweight woodworking tools because they are reliable and easy to use. The reviewer called the tool light and ergonomic and mentioned that the shavings port is conveniently located. Another reviewer called the tool light, easy to adjust and operate, and ready to go right out of the case. They also found the case very rugged and sturdy, good for protecting the tool. Number 5. Best Professional Biscuit Joiner Festool 574432 Domino Joiner DF500Q Set. Designed to improve the joining process, the Festool 574432 Domino Joiner DF500Q Set creates stronger joints in less time. While not technically a biscuit joiner, this tool produces slightly different shaped, yet similar joinery. Instead of traditional biscuits, the Festool uses rectangle-shaped tenons called dominoes. The tool has 5 mortising depths, adjustable mortise width, and a pivoting fence for angled mortises. Meanwhile, the patented spiral cutter creates precise mortises, and the dust extraction allows for better glue adhesion. For anyone needing a tool that provides quality and precision, one reviewer called the Festool Domino Joiner a top-of-the-line choice. They were happy with the included accessories, noting that they help with a variety of products. The reviewer commented on the precision in adjustments and that the tool is designed to be user-friendly, with an ergonomic grip and intuitive controls. The reviewer ultimately called the tool a fantastic investment for professionals or anyone who wants quality and precision. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.